Hello everyone, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to show you around my living room. I'll tell you where everything came from and how much everything cost. This is the version of my living room for the summer, and I'm getting ready to change it for fall, so I wanted to show you what I had done for the summer. I went with touches of aqua, and my base color of course is cream because all of my furniture is cream, and touches of gold and silver. So let's go over here first by my two accent chairs. I believe these chairs are either from Overstock or WAYFAIR. I've had them for a very long time. The pillows in the chairs, the abstract with the aqua color, they are from HOMEGOODS, and I got them last year. They were $34.99. These curtains, they are from Amazon, so I can definitely put the link below for that if anyone's interested in these. It's sort of like a linen, it is a linen fabric curtain, and I wanted something light like linen for the summer. Over here I just have some decor pieces. These gold pieces here, which I absolutely love, are from Burlington. All of the books that you see are from are from HOMEGOODS, and the decor pieces are from Burlington. Even the flowers are from Burlington. So I absolutely love the way this looks on top of my mirrored cabinet. Now over here in the corner, I put a set of nesting tables right next to this chair in front of the window, and I put this beautiful lamp on top. The lamp is from HOMEGOODS, the tables are from HOMEGOODS. I love this design of the lamp because it's so different. It's not something that you typically see, as a basic lamp. So I wanted to put something interesting in that corner, and I think that really does the job. So that's the way this side of the wall is looking, and I love the clean, modern glam look that is giving me over here. These two ottomans, which are storage ottomans, are from Amazon. I believe it was $99 for the set, but I'll put the link down below if you want to check it out. The coffee table is from HAVERTYS, and I believe they still have, I think it's like $500 or $600, something like that. Tom Ford book is from Amazon. The vase in the middle is from Pier 1. The stems are from Pier 1. Of course, they've already gone out of business. They do have an online store, but I haven't checked it out, so I don't know. But I always love putting a decorative box on my coffee table so I can hide those remote controls. So this box here is from HOMEGOODS as well, and I think it was $29.99 for that box. The rug is from Ross. I've had it for a very long time. I remember it was $99. Over here, this is a view of my barn doors, and I just put this blessed sign at the top. On the other side of the barn doors is the family room, which I will show you in another video because that is completely different to what it used to be. All right, so on this side of the room, I have this sofa that I got from WAYFAIR. It is a smaller sofa, and that's what I wanted because I wanted the flow in this room to be open, and I absolutely love it. It's not the most comfortable sofa, but it's a sofa that, your guests can sit on temporarily, heading over into the family room. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. These pillows here are from HOMEGOODS. I just put one aqua colored pillow in the corner, and I didn't want to put a throw on this sofa because I wanted to keep things light for the summer, but for the fall I have a throw already ready for this sofa. Over here, everything is pretty much the same. This table here is from HOMARY. It was like $1,000, but I absolutely love it. The two lamps on top are from Ross, and they were $35 each. The bowl in the middle is from HOMEGOODS. The wall art is from Ross. I had it for a long time. All of this is about to change for the fall. I did wallpaper. I just put wallpaper on this wall. This is the peel and stick wallpaper in a grass cloth, and I did get that from Amazon. I just wanted that wall to have a little subtle difference, and that does exactly what I was going for. So I absolutely love this area, and I'm excited to change it up for the fall. So guys, you can probably see the mirrors over here on the wall. These mirrors are from Kirkland's. At the time when I purchased them, they were $35 each. From my understanding now, they're like $75 or $80 or $85. They've gone up a lot. But I put 3 mirrors on either side of the opening going to my dining room on this wall. And it works perfectly. I love it. I'm not gonna change it. I just love the way it reflects light as you're coming into the house. So guys, if you have any questions about anything that you've seen in the video, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you love home decor or decorating, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. Guys, this piece right here I actually got from Target.com, that shelf, that sofa shelf, but I am going to spray paint every part that's black gold so that it matches the rest of my furniture. And I'll probably show you that in the next video. I'm going to take it outside, take the shelves out, and spray paint it like a warm gold. And then I feel like that would bring everything together. But the only other thing I'm going to show you in here is the ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is from Lowe's. I'll show you that in a second. And it is a somewhat of a chandelier. It does have a crystal ball on the bottom of it, which I absolutely love because it does add that shine and sparkle to the room. I'll show you a close-up of that in a minute. But guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I do have a little bit more at the end, so stay tuned for that. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. I believe this fan was, I think it was $200. It was about $200. I think it was like $175 plus tax. This candle right here, this candle is by Lachey. She is one of my subscribers and she sells these luxury candles, and she was nice enough to send me some of her candles, guys. They smell amazing. Forget about Bath and Body Works. Check out Lachey. I will put her contact information in the description box. I'll put her website information. Check her out if you want some really great luxury candles with a lot of throw. Like, I opened this box and I could smell this candle all throughout the room. So go ahead and check out Lachey. And Lachey, thank you so much for being a subscriber, and thank you so much for sending me some of your beautiful candles. So guys, have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.